Hello guys, it's a video regarding VW 1.6 Golf TDI Mark 6 not starting. Initially started with the starter motor issue, but it was cranking, and sometime it will turn, sometime it won't turn. After replacement of starter motor, I had another issue. I could only see lights, but it won't turn at all, no crank whatsoever. So I went through all these relays. See this red middle one? Red is actual relay, like it's it's a starter motor relay. Replace that one, still won't turn. And yeah, then there's another relay which is fuel pump relay. It's sort of related to starter. Let me show you this. I removed this one, took it off, and just left it for 10 minutes. Came back, plugged it in, and tried to turn, and it does turn. That's it. If you get this kind of issue, just disconnect this one. That's the main one. If you disconnect this one, it will still turn but won't start. It's to do with that one and that one. Both are somehow connected to each other. So that's it. Even I had to kind of put another starter motor, but yeah, it was the same problem. I thought maybe solenoid is gone or something else is wrong with it, but it wasn't. Just disconnect this one, leave it out for a bit, and then put it back in and it should turn. That's it. Thank you.